Hello, my name is Semenov Alexander. I am a student of the Stolypin-Volga Region Institute of Administration in Saratov. I am an active member of the student government and fond of science. I have to take part in the summer campus of the Presidential Academy because, firstly, participation in campus will provide new knowledge and skills in the management. Secondly, the campus combines 10 days the most active students with managerial experience. Thirdly, the campus provides an opportunity to exchange experience and strengthen ties between the regions of the Russian Federation. Fourthly, participation in campus allows you to see, hear and ask questions to famous people, to professionals. Fifthly, the campus in Kazan allows to get acquainted with the way of life in the Republic of Tatarstan and compare with other regions of the country. Thus, participation in the summer campus in the Presidential Academy will not only gain the knowledge, skills and dating, but also an opportunity to make a mark on my map in another subject of the Russian Federation in which I visited. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.